Exercise has completely changed my life. I feel stronger and more energetic every day.
Absolutely. Staying active is one of the best ways to protect your health and feel your best.
How do you stay so healthy?
Simple, regular exercise and consistency. Your future self will thank you.
Though I still struggle saying no to chocolate sometimes.
Tell me about it. Balance, not perfection, right?
Exactly. Small habits really add up.
They sure do. And it's easier when you can laugh about it too.
I think I've found one of the most underrated AI videos available right now. Not because it's perfect, but because it does something most AI tools fail to do. It creates images, generates videos, writes your scripts and your prompts. A few days ago, I came across this app, and honestly, this AI tool caught me off guard. And the most interesting part is that this app is free for now. This is why I'm sharing it, so that anyone who is interested can make use of this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this tool works, how to use it, and few tricks that you can use to get a better result. If you like videos like this, consider giving this video a like, hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive right in. First, you go to the Google Play Store and search for Dola. It's spelled D-O-L-A. This is the app right here. It's written Dola Smart AI Assistant. Go ahead and download it. Once you've installed it, you'll be asked to allow some necessary permissions. Tap on Sign In with Google. Select your Google account, confirm your age, and complete the setup process.
Once you've logged into this app, you will see the chat section. This is where the history of all your chats appear. This app is similar to ChatGPT. And whenever you want to create a new chat, simply click on the pencil icon here to start a new chat. Remember, I told you that this app can help you write your prompt or rewrite your prompt. I have a video prompt I want this app to rewrite for me. So I simply click on this box, paste my video prompt here. This is a short prompt. So above this prompt, I will write something like this. Rewrite this video prompt and make it more detailed. I also included my desired aspect ratio. I hit on the send button and I got a very detailed prompt.
Here's your rewritten, highly detailed version.
This is what I will use to generate my image. Now I'm going to copy everything here. Go back, click on the pencil icon and open a new chat. Alright, click on AI creation. This is where you create either an image or a video. Now let's start with an image. If you have a reference image, click on reference to import the image. But for this tutorial, we are using a prompt. So go down to the box where you can see describe the image you want. This is where we'll paste the prompt we generated with Dola. Above the prompt, you see where you need to select your style and aspect ratio. Click on style and select the style of your choice. I went for cartoon. Next is the aspect ratio. There are various aspect ratios here, so you select the one that fits the type of video you want to create. If you want to create a long form video on YouTube, you select the 16:9 aspect ratio. I went for the 16:9 aspect ratio. I clicked on the send button, which is this blue icon here. So the image generation is in progress, and one lovely thing about Dola is that the image generation, also the video generation, doesn't take so long. You can see the images generated by this app. They are high quality images, and it doesn't just generate one image for you, it generates up to 4 images for you to select the best. You can see. If you want only an image, click on the save button to download this image to your device. But if you want to modify the image, assuming you are not satisfied, you want to adjust something in the image, simply click on the edit button here to edit the image. But if you want to take it a step further, you click on the make video button to convert this image into a video. So click on the make video. Select the model you want to use for the animation. I'm going for the 2.0 model. Then for the aspect ratio, once you've generated an image in a certain aspect ratio, you can't change the aspect ratio again when animating your image. So make sure that you get the right aspect ratio for your image before converting it into a video. Next, select your video duration. It has 5 seconds and 10 seconds, and I'm going for 10 seconds. Down below, you see the message area. This is where you need to type your animation prompt. This is the prompt this app would use to animate this image. I have an animation prompt which I also generated with this Dola app, and I'll be pasting it here. This prompt is about a man and a lady having a conversation in a gym. It also has a dialogue between the man and the lady. You can see how I specified what the woman has to say, her body language and everything. I also did the same thing for the man. Then I hit on the send button. The video generation takes 1 to 3 minutes, and after that you will have your video.
Training.
Consistency works best. I feel way more energetic now.
Same here. Rest and food matter just as much as training.
This app did an amazing job. If you take a look at the animation prompt we used when we were about to generate the video, you will notice that this app can generate dialogue videos perfectly. It knows what each character has to say, and it generates exactly what's in the prompt. If you're looking for a free tool that you can use as a beginner, I think this app is really a good one. So will you be trying it? If you will, let me know which of the features impressed you the most. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you found value, and if you want videos like this, hit on the subscribe button and on your post notification. Also share this video to your friends. Till I see you in my next one. Bye.